Today we are going to take our linear equations. We are going to transform them from their standard form. I have two examples in standard form right now. And what we're transforming them to is into their slope-intercept form. And here's a reminder of our slope-intercept form. It's our y equals mx plus b. We have about 2 steps to do. So before I even start, I like to draw a line down my equal sign so I can go ahead and stay nice and organized. Now my first step is to move my x, because I want my x over on the opposite side of the equal sign from the y. So in order to move anything from one side to the other, we have to do the opposite. So since this is a -3, I'm going to add 3. Whatever I do on this side, I need to do on this side. Now since it has a variable, I cannot add it to the 7. I just add it to that side. So I can go ahead and take down everything I have not used yet, and take down that 3x as well. And then I have 7 plus, because I added it, 3x. Now you can leave it like this if you're going to remember that the number by itself is our y-intercept and the number with the x is our slope. Or you can just go ahead, since it's on the right side of the equal sign, I can just switch the placement. And then my second step is to get my y alone. Now my y is already alone, so I'm done. I can double check if it's in my y equals mx plus b, or again, it could be y equals b plus mx. Doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead to our second one. I'm going to draw my line to stay nice and organized. Step 1, move my x. Now since it's a positive x, I'm going to subtract. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. Again, I just kind of put it off to the side because I can't combine the two since 12 does not have an x. Now I bring everything down. So now I've got -2y equals 12 minus 6x. My second step, I got to get my y alone. So to get anything alone, I'm going to divide, since it's attached by multiplication. Now I have to divide this entire thing by 2. I like to kind of separate it, so I make sure I do both. So now -2 divided by -2 is 1, so I'm just going to rewrite the y. 12 divided by -2 is 6. -6. And then -6 divided by -2 is 3. Got to keep that x. So again, I can rewrite it if I want with that mx and then plus b. I'm doing minus b, or you could do plus a negative. And that's it. A quick reminder, always move your x over and then get your y alone, and you're done. See you in the next one.